So what you are going to learn here today is how do you do a service reset on a BMW R NineT Racer. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is you need to remove this Torx bolt so you can remove the rear seat cover. The Torx bolt also comes with a washer. If you don't lose the washer's there so that the bolt doesn't crush into the rear hugger piece, toe tidy piece. And have somewhere safe for your rear seat cover to go. Somewhere on something soft. And this is all you do is pull backwards and find its way out. So the seat put up a hell of a fight. This is your ODB port. So now we've got to loosen it off somehow. There are two tabs on the ODB port cover that you need to push in at the same time, and you wiggle the cover, and then there's your ODB port. And this is what we're using today. Maintenance mate. And this should reset the service indicator on the onboard computer, and it looks like it comes with instructions. Key in the ignition, and connect this piece into the ODB unit. Ignition on. So the number 10 value means that the BMW, after 10,000 kilometers later, will then say, hey, I need a service. And then you will see the service indicator message again. So as long as we're happy with 10,000 kilometers, hold the up and down arrows for 3 seconds, and the up sign will flash a few times onto. Then you're going to see D1 appear on the reset unit. It will for just a few seconds, and now what it's talking about is year. So 26 meaning service is needed in 2026. So if we're happy with that, hold the up and down arrow keys for about 3 seconds. Now it's saying what month will I need a service. If you're happy with 06, as in 2026-06, hold the up and down arrows. Now the unit is talking about which day in 2026 on the 6th month. We're happy with the 28th. Hold the up and down arrows again. So the up flash a few times, and now service indicator is no longer on the instruments. Ignition off. Disconnect the unit. Put the ODB connector back into its slot. Slide it in, push down, hear that click. We found that we had to line up 2 slidey tabs under the seat, and then the seat docked into place. The rear seat cover, slide it into there, push forward, and then you fit the Torx screw. My recommendation would be just start by hand first, just to get it going. Remember the washer, that's very, very important. And then we'll be able to tighten this up. Technique is you've got to push down on the rear seat cover while tightening the Torx bolt and it will find its way in. It doesn't have to be too tight, and that's looking good. Once you know what you're doing, fairly straightforward, but the seat does put up a bit of a fight. And it does put up a fight when you try and put it back in. Apart from that, it's fairly straightforward. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.
Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was alive, but wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the door.
Could have a cup of tea now.